Hello all, welcome to NetSet OS. Today in this video we will discuss about distribute candies problem, in which there are n children standing in a line. Each child is assigned a rating value, and with respect to this rating value we have to distribute candies. But there are some conditions over here. First, each child must have at least one candy, and the second condition, children with a higher rating get more candies than their neighbors. Ratings will be in terms of numbers. Whichever child will have higher rating will get more candies, but this comparison will be within neighbors. And then we have to calculate total candies that we need to give among all children. Let's understand this with respect to 3 children. There are 3 children over here and there is a rating. With respect to, we have to give candies to each child. So first of all, we will give 1 candy to each child. As per our first condition, each child must have at least 1 candy. And then we will compare each child rating with their neighbors. Let's understand this with respect to first child who has 1 rating. So 1 will be compared with left neighbor as well as with right neighbor. 1 doesn't have any left neighbor, so we will compare 1 with respect to 2. So 1 is less than 2. This problem is all about higher rating. So he will be getting just 1 candy. And then we will check for the second child. Second child has 2 rating. 2 rating we will compare with left neighbor. 2 is greater than 1. But when we compare with respect to right neighbor, 2 is less than 5. So here with respect to left neighbor, 2 rating was greater than 1. So what we will do? We will take this 1 plus 1. So here we will have 2 as he has higher rating. Now for the next child, 5 will be compared with left child rating as it doesn't have any right neighbor. So 5 is greater than 2. So this child is supposed to get more candies as compared to left neighbor because he has 2 ratings and this child has 5 rating. So 2 plus 1 will be 3. So here total candies were 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. Let's see for one more example where we have 1, 5, 2, 1. Initially we will give each child at least 1 candy, and then we will check the child with higher rating should get more candies. So I will give each child 1 candy initially as like this. Now we will check for 1 with its left child as well as right child. 1 is less than 5, so he will get 1 candy only. Then for the next child we will compare 5 with 1 as well as right neighbor 2. So when I compare with left child rating, 5 is greater than 1. Then we will compare with right neighbor. 5 is also greater than 2. So this time 5 rating is greater than left child rating as well as right child rating. So we will take max of left and right. Whosoever will be maximum, we will add 1 candy to it because 5 is greater than. So here it will be 2 as he is supposed to get more candies with respect to left and right neighbor. Then we will check for next child. 2 is less than 5, but when we compare with right neighbor, 2 is greater than 1. So we will take the right neighbor candy plus 1. So here we will get 2. 2 was greater than 1. So here this child got 2 candies. But if we go in left, 5 was greater than 2. So this child is supposed to get one more candy so as to have more candies than them. Now for the next child, he has 1 rating. There is no right neighbor. For the left neighbor, 1 is less than 2. So he will get 1 candy only. So if we calculate the sum of candies, 4, 6, 7. So 7 candies in total. So here you have seen we have calculated for left and right, whosoever ratings will be max will be having +1 candies. Here we just have 4 children. But what if we have more children? There we won't be able to calculate left and right at the same time. It becomes little hectic. So what we'll do, we will break this problem into sub-problems. Which is, first we take left neighbors at a time and then we will take right neighbors. And these left and right we will calculate separately. And out of this left and right, whosoever will be max, we will take that value. So let's see how to do this. Here I took a large amount of children rating. So initially we will give 1 candy to each child. And then we will start with first child, where we will compare with left neighbors. So here for first child there is no left neighbor, so we will keep 1 candy for first child. Then for the second child, 2 we will compare with its left neighbor. Is 2 greater than 10? No. So he will also have just 1 candy. Then we will take 4, which will be compared with its left neighbor. 4 is greater than 2. So this time we have higher rating. So he is supposed to get higher candy as compared to its left neighbor. So here I will take +1, 2 candies. Then for the next child, is 2 rating is greater than 4? No. So here we will have just 1 candy for this child. Then for the next child, 6 is greater than 2? Yes. So he will get more candy than its left neighbor. So 1 + 1 will be 2. Then for the next child, there is 1 rating. If I compare 1 with 6, it's less. So here this child would get only 1 candy. Then for the next child, 7 is greater than its left neighbor rating, which is 1. So here he is supposed to get more candies than his left neighbor. So here it will be 1 + 1, 2. Then for next child, its rating 8. If I compare 8 rating with its left neighbor, 8 is greater than 7. So this child is supposed to get more candies as compared to its left child. Here it is 2. So here it should get 3 candies because he got more ratings. Then for the next child, he got 9 rating. 9, when I compare to left child, it's 8. So 9 is greater than left neighbor rating, which is 8. So this child should get more candies than its left neighbor. So here it is 3 + 1, 4. Right? Then for the next child, it's 2. When I compare 2 with 9, it's less than. So he will get just 1 candy. Then for the next child, it's 1. 1 rating is less than 2. So he will only get just 1 candy. So this is how we have compared all the child rating with its left neighbor. Now what I'll do, I will compare right neighbors. So here I will start with last child rating, which is 1, and I will compare with their right neighbors. I have given each child with 1 candy. Now we will iterate from last child rating and will compare with their right neighbors. as of this 1, if I compare to right neighbor, there is no right neighbor. So we will give just 1 candy to our 1 rating child. Now for the next child, it's 2. If I compare 2 with right neighbor, 2 is greater than 1. So here this child should get more than its right neighbor. 1 plus 1 will be 2 candies. Then for the next child, here 9 rating. If I compare with right neighbor, 9 is greater than 2. So if 9 is greater than 2, this child should get more candies than this child. So 2 plus 1, here this child would get 3 candies. Then for 8, if I compare 8 rating with 9, 8 is not greater than 9. So he will get just 1 candy. Then for 7 rating, if I compare 7 with 8, 7 is not greater than 8. So this person will get 1 rating only. Then for next child, 1 rating is not greater than 7. So here this child will get only 1 candy. Then for next child, 6 rating. 6 rating is greater than its right neighbor. So what I'll do, I'll take right child candy. As 6 rating is greater than 1, so this child should get more candy as compared to its right neighbor. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. Now for the 2 rating, if I compare with its right neighbor, 2 is greater than 6? No. So this child will get only 1 candy. Then if I compare 4 with its right neighbor, 4 is greater than 2. So this child will get more candy than its right neighbor. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. Then for 2 rating, is 2 greater than 4? No. So this child will get only 1 candy. Then for the child who is getting 10 rating, if I compare with its right neighbor, 10 is greater than 2. So this child is supposed to get more candies than its right neighbor. So here I will have 2 candies. I will give 2 candies to this child. Now with this, I got the candies compared with left neighbor and the candies compared with right neighbor. Now here I will take out max of left and right. So here when I compare 1 with 2, 2 is maximum. 1 with 1, 1 is maximum. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 3 with 1, 3 is maximum. 4 with 3, 4 is maximum. 1 with 2, 2 is maximum. And here 1. Now if I have to calculate total candies which I have given to the children will be 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11, 14, 18, 20, 21. So instead of comparing left and right neighbor simultaneously, we can break up the problem into left neighbor, where we will compare each child rating with its left neighbor, and then we will compare each child rating with their right neighbor, and whosoever will be maximum, we will take out the values or the candies. So this is how we will calculate distribute candies problem. Now let's implement this with the help of Python program. So here I'll start writing program with the function distribute candies, and here we will have all child ratings. So let's take it as A. So the first thing we will make for the left candies, where we will compare with respect to left neighbor. So I'll write candy underscore left, and initially I will have 1 candy for each child, and this will be 1 into len of A with the same size. Similarly, I will have for candy right, for which I will compare each child rating with respect to right neighbor. So first of all, we will compare each child rating with left neighbor. So I'll write for left in range up to len of a. Then we will have the first base condition, left should be greater than 0. Then we will apply if condition, if a left is greater than its neighbor, left neighbor, then candy left will have one more candy as compared to its left neighbor, right? Similarly, I will iterate for the right neighbor, where it will iterate from the last. So len a minus 1 up to 0, and it will iterate with one step. And here the condition will be if right should be less than len of a minus 1, the base condition, and the right should be greater than right plus 1. If it is greater, then candy right will have one candy more than its right neighbor. And then we will have maximum of, so I'll apply for loop for k in range up to len of a, and here it will look for the maximum value out of left and right. So max of candy left and candy right. Let's store it in any of them. I'll store it in candy right, and then we will have sum of candy right. Let's take sum. Here I have made two separate arrays, one for left and one for right, and out of these I have compared whichever the maximum will be, we will take that particular candy, and then we will have sum of these. Let's call this function. Here I have taken the same ratings. Now let's run the program, and here I got 21 total candies. Now if we come to time complexity will be order of n, as we are iterating each rating once. And if we come to space complexity, here I have made two separate left and right array. My space complexity will be greater than order of n, which will be left and right. You can go for your own solution where you can make just one array, and there you can iterate for left, and here itself you can calculate the max as compared to left and right. So as to make you understand in an easy way, that's why I have used two separate arrays for left and right. You can choose any of the way you like. So this is all about distribute candies. Hope you like this solution. So please give a like and don't forget to comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.